Welcome to the YouTube channel once again. Right now we're going to talk about Google Meets. You can get the Google Meets from the Google Apps. This is the Google Meets. This is how the Google Meets display looks like. It's help in video conferencing and a lot of things, sending video talks. So like you can do meetings on the Google Meet, where first thing there is the meetings followed by calls. We can make calls using the Google Meet. Now when you want to start a meeting with the Google Call, it's like when you want to start a new meeting, you click on the new meeting and you start a new meeting. But if you want to join the meeting that is going on, that has been created, you get a code for the link for the meeting and you enter. It's in this space. From here you can join it from here. But for you to start the meeting on the Google Meet, you need to inform people earlier on so that they can know of the time they will be having the meeting. The link will be shared so that they can be able to join the meeting through entering the code or the links, that they can be able to be part of the meeting. More we are going to see how to start the meeting. Going to click here. You can see that there is create meeting for later. That one whereby you can create it earlier on and you share with the colleagues you want to be having the meeting with, so that they can be able to attend the meeting. And then there's a point to start an instant meeting. It's like you want to start the meeting there and then, and you get in, you click in and it generates a link. You can share with people share with people when you have the meeting there and then, and it's some instant meeting. And you can also get your schedules in the Google Calendar, which is also in the Google Meet, which has made work a bit easy. As you can see, we can see you can join the meeting. You can join an online meeting by clicking here, join. You can add location, you can add the number of minutes you want the meeting to go on. You put your attachments, you can copy it from here. When you copy it successfully on the clipboard, you can be able to share with your colleagues. And when you get to the settings, you can be able to make some changes. The meeting moderation, the host management, where you can make everybody share their screens, send chat messages, send reactions. It can all be controlled by the person who initiated the meeting after making the necessary changes. And whereby if you want the changes to remain, you come and you save the changes. It's all about like making changes in the Google Meet. About the calendar, you can add title about the meeting in the calendar as well. So right now you want to discharge, you remove after the meeting. You can remove the information when it's really not important after it. This one important of the Google Meet, that's this feature. How to start a new meeting. I'm going to click here. Say what, create a meeting for later. I'm clicking there. here getting the information for the meeting. So a link has been created here. I'm going to copy this link to my clipboard. After copying the link, I'll be able to share with colleagues I want to do the meetings with, so they can be able to get it, and at the time of the meeting they can be able to click in the link and we go on with the meeting. I also want to start an instant meeting. I click on here. So clicking on here, guess what? By joining a meeting, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, as you can see, now we have new features again, that you want people to see and hear you in a meeting. Yes, of course, when you're doing meeting, people have to hear you, people have to see you when necessary. So you come here with the blue part where they use microphone and the camera. You can click in there, and you give permission, allow when using the site. The permission has been given, so during meetings your voice recording can be heard and your video can be seen by the colleagues. Thank you. That's all we have to say about the Google Meet right now. Thank you.